court does not deny them the opportunity to explore the same. However, I'm mindful of the charges the accused persons are facing, and I'm also mindful of the procedure under the law of cases that can be reconciled upon. I advise the complainants, if they're not interested in further pursuing this matter, to liaise with the representative of the DPP, and the file is forwarded to the DPP for a possible withdrawal under the provisions of section 121 of the MCA. Considering the provisions of 160, I'm inclined to enter a reconciliation in this matter. However, I'll proceed to deliver my ruling on the bail application. Bail is premised on the presumption of innocence, and for court to grant or not to grant bail, it considers whether the accused persons have a fixed place of abode, and whether, if released, they will be able to return. 2 is whether the accused persons are provided sureties who are able and ready and willing and understand their duties to stand surety for the accused persons. A1 presented his biological mother, his brother, and a friend as sureties. There was no objection of the sureties of A1 by the state. I also find these sureties that were presented by A1 substantial. A2 presented his sister, biological, and 2 friends who have been friends with him for over 18 years. Though the state attorney objected to the sureties, I find them substantial. They are aware of their duties, and they also know the residence of the accused person, and they all reside within the same vicinity with the accused persons. I find the sureties for A2 also substantial. I also find that the sureties presented for both accused persons reside within the same locality, that is within Machinga division, and that is within this court's jurisdiction. I find that they will be able to perform their duties as sureties. In the circumstances, I allow the application for bail. However, considering the nature of the case the accused persons are facing, I am putting the following conditions that the accused persons must abide with. Conditions for bail is 1, each of the accused persons are released on cash bail of 1 million shillings. 2, the sureties are bonded at 5 million shillings each. Each of the sureties for each of the accused persons, non-cash. 3, the accused persons are not allowed to leave the country without express permission of court. If they intend to leave the country, they have to seek permission of court. 4, the accused persons are warned from any interference with the victims or their workplace, whether verbally or through social media, as such attack, if proved, shall lead to automatic cancellation of bail. Those are the conditions for bail. If you meet the conditions above, the matter will come for mention 13th January. That's ample time to conclude the processes.
Temusobola kutabagana butabaganyi olw'ekika ky'emisango egibavunaanibwa wabula abasabye mukwatagane n'omuwaabi wa gavumenti okulaba nga emisango gino gibagibwako mu butongole ng'amateeka bwe gakirambika. Mu nsonga ya beyiro, kkooti egambye nti kkooti bw'ebanga egendawo okweyimirirwa etunuulira nti avunaanibwa alina ekifo ekyenkalakalira mw'abeera, ajja kusobola okudda mu kkooti olunaku lwaba yeetaagibwa nga n'abalima baleese bagwanidde. Avunaanibwa asooka yaleeta maama we ng'omulima, mukwano gwe ne muganda we omuwaabi wa gavumenti teyawakanya balima abo, era kkooti nayo ekizudde baali bagwanidde okweyimirira. Obuvunaanibwa obwokubiri yaleeta mwannyina n'emikwano gye ebiri, newankubadde ng'omuwaabi wa gavumenti yawakanya abalima bano ababiri, kkooti y'ekizudde nti bano babadde mikwano gye okumala ebbanga ddene, era n'ekizuula nti bagwanidde era baali bamanyi obuvunaanyizibwa bwabwe n'emirimu gyabwe gye balina okukola, ate era nga batuuze b'omu kitundu kino n'avunaanibwa gy'abeera nti basobola okukola omulimu gwabwe. Kkooti ekkiriza okusaba kw'okweyimirirwa ku bukwakkulizo buno wammanga okusinziira ku kika ky'omusango gubavunaanibwa buli avunaanibwa agenda kusasula akakadde kamu mu buliwo. Ababeeyimirira buli omu ajja kusasula obukadde 5 singa abantu bano babula ne batadda okusasula gavumenti ya Uganda buli omu oba n'okwatibwa. Basabiddwa obutafuluma ggwanga, oyo yenna ayagala ofuluma eggwanga alina okusooka okusaba olukusa kuva eri kooti. Basabiddwa obutalumbagana babavunaana mu ngeri yonna, oba ku mitimbagano oba gye babeera, singa ekyo kooti enakizuula wadde gye bakolera temukkirizibwa kubalumba. Singa kooti enakizuula okweyimirwa kwabwe kujja sazibwamu. Obukwakulizo obwo nga bumaze obutuukiriza, omusango gujja kudda mu kooti nga 13 January mu mwaka omujja.
Rana Patrick alias Alex.
You are free. This matter is done. Your lawyer will inform me on 13.
Exercise its discretion, grant the chosen person's bail.
Has the reconciliation been concluded or it's a work in progress?
Worship. It has been concluded and additional statements have been recorded. And we can able to state that the reconciliation has been a success.
Your Worship, in addition to that, on record, Councillor Andrew Wambi, Your Worship, we are here for 2 cases. One is pending ruling, the other is...
I am handling one file at a go. Don't
Yeah.
address me on 2 files. So we are handling the file where...
for the ruling, but I wanted to...
So address you
I
on that
would
file.
like to address you on the issue of the reconciliation, Your Worship. Your Worship, the parties have decided to reconcile in this matter, and the spirit of this honorable court under section 160 of the Magistrate Courts Act, having in mind of the nature of the offense, we would still ask court for guidance in that matter. The reconciliation was recorded and the parties have forgiven each other. However, as I stated, being the nature of the offense, we need guidance from this honorable court. Your Worship, we are, however, ready for this bail ruling, and we pray that the same is granted.
Yali yakutabagana era balaga nti okutabagana kwawedde. Abavunaanibwa n'abavunaana beesonyiye newankubadde nga additional statement zakoleddwa, basabye kooti ebalungamye ku kyekiddako. Leero olwaliro omusango gubadde gujja kuwulira kusalawo kwa kooti era beetegefu okufuna.
Before I hear from the state, let me hear from each of the victims whether whatever has been submitted upon is true. Mr. Matovu, have you been approached?
Yes, please.
The process the lawyers are informing me about, was it with your consent?
That is.
Are you in agreement with the process?
Yes.
Mr. Don Alex, is that the position? Is it true these people approached you?
Yeah, they are.
you agree with their terms?
With the event and the constitution.
Mr. Myanda, were you part of the process?
Yes.
Were you involved and did you understand the process? One, were you involved in the reconciliation as it is alleged?
naawe wabadde kitundu tabagana kuno nga bakwira bwe bagamba.
Etsu, were you part of this process? You agreed to meet with your complainants at the top?
Yes.